In this video, I'll show you how to debug code with Claude AI. This is a quick way to identify errors and fix issues in your code using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to debug my code. For example, I might type, "Fix the errors in this JavaScript code and explain what went wrong." After typing the prompt, I'll paste my code and click the send button. Claude will analyze the code and provide suggestions, fixes, and explanations for the issues. If I want more detailed help, I can include additional context in my prompt, such as error messages or what I expect the code to do. For example, I might type, "This Python script is not working as expected. Here's the error message and code." Claude can also help optimize the code, improve readability, and suggest best practices. Once the corrected code is ready, I can copy or download the updated version and test it in my development environment. After that, I can run the code again to confirm the issue is resolved. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to debug code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.